Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Hi, my name is Rose. I am 22 years old. I am a student and I also work part-time. Let me tell you about my daily routine, from when I wake up to when I go to bed. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. I feel a little sleepy, but I get out of bed and stretch to start my day. After waking up, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush to keep my teeth clean and healthy. After brushing my teeth, I take a quick shower to feel fresh. I wash my hair with shampoo and my body with soap. After my shower, I dry myself with a towel and choose my clothes. I like to wear something comfortable and casual, like a t-shirt and jeans. Next, I go to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast. I usually have toast, eggs, and juice to give me energy for the day. After breakfast, I leave my house to go to work and school. I take the bus to my part-time job first. At work, I help customers and organize items in the store. Then I go to university, where I attend my classes. I study subjects like English and business. My classes usually end at 4 p.m. After work and class, I take the bus home. I am tired, but I like to relax on the way back home. When I arrive home, I like to cook dinner. I prepare a simple meal like rice, chicken, and vegetables. It's quick and healthy. After cooking, I sit at the table to eat my dinner. I enjoy my meal, and sometimes I listen to music or talk to my family while I eat. After dinner, I take a warm bath to relax. I love taking a bath because it helps me feel calm and clean after a busy day. Before bed, I brush my teeth again to keep them clean. It's important to brush your teeth twice a day, so I do it in the morning and before bed. After my bath, I spend some time studying. I sit at my desk and read my books, take notes, and do my homework. I usually study for about 1 hour. After studying, I like to relax by watching TV for 30 minutes. I watch my favorite shows about cooking, traveling, or comedy. At 10:30 p.m., I go to bed. I read a book for 20 minutes before I fall asleep. It helps me relax and have good dreams. That's my daily routine. I hope this will help you to improve your English.